Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about the while loop. In the previous video, where we have discussed about the for loop, and we have seen that for loop is works over the iterate over the sequence, means any object which is iterable, we can use the for loop. Similar way, it go with for the while loop also. In the while loop as well, we can do the iteration over the any iterable object. But the thing is, there is a change with the syntax, and the thing is with the while loop is a repeat as long as the condition is true. So let's understand. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take one variable count, and I'm going to start with the 0, and here I'm just saying while. So this is the syntax while, and here I will say if count. If you want to keep these bracket, you can keep it like count. So, and I'm saying if it is less than 5, then only it will print. So here what I'm going to do, I'm going to print, and what I'm going to print, I'm going to print count. And other thing here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just make it as a means equal to 1. I'm just adding 1, and let's run this. So when you will run this, it is saying, and to make this, and as I told you in the previous video as well, if you want to take in the one line, you have to use the and. When I will run this, we are seeing 0 1 2 3 4. It is printing, means what it is checking, it is checking basically, it is going through the loop until this condition is true. Once it become count as a 6, what will happen, it will come out from this and it will not print. Another thing, like you can remove these bracket. Apart from that also, when you will run, it will give the same output like how it is giving. So this is the while loop. It's similar to the I would say like the for loop, just the syntax, and it run over the like the condition until it is true. You can do it over the list also. Like if I will just go with this, and when I will run, so here if you want to take length of this count, if you want to go on this, so here I just make as a count as a list. So what I will do, I will take index equal to 0. I will replace it with the index, and here what I'm going to do, I'm just going to print index. When I will run, and here obviously we have to increase the index. When I will run this, what it will give, 1 2 3 4. Here we are expecting, for an example, here I will make 11, and let's run this 11 2 3 4. So this way what we can do, we can define it. So index here, what are we doing, we are just like increasing one by one. So that's the way we can do it. If you want to debug this code, so here means how it is working. So what you have to do, you are seeing when I'm hovering on this side, one red sign is coming. Just click on this. When you will debug the practice, if it means this logic, when you will debug, what it will come, it will hit here, like it will stop here, and then from here what we can do, one by one we can read the line, like what the code is going on here. So here you can see now we are, blue sign is coming. So here you can see step into my code or step into. So here when I will do, press this one, it will go one line, and here you can see what is the count. Index is currently 0, and this value it will take, and here when I will do, what's the, it is going one by one. Now index value is 1. Here you are seeing. So basically on the debug time, if you are getting any error, you want to see what is the values coming on the runtime, so you can check with the debug. So when I will press again, you are seeing it will go, it will check the value. What is the index value is 1. What is the count? Count is basically a list. So here you will see it is a list. It is showing what kind of the list it is, and based on that, one by one it is going. So this is the way even you can debug the code. So that part you can do. So let me stop it and let me rerun this. So we are seeing this output. So that's way while loop work. So that's it for this video. If you have any question and doubt, please comment. Thank you.